Today we are here at the White Shipyard witnessing the construction of our new 100% electric cross-river ferry. This particular vessel is going to be 100% electric, and we're introducing an automated docking system that will reduce the power and the energy needed in the docking process, that will enable it to operate all day after just one night's charge. Currently on the route between Nelson Dock and Canary Wharf, we operate a traditional catamaran with 2 combustion engines that carries just over 100 passengers. This will carry over 150 passengers and will probably increase its frequency per hour as a result of that automated docking system.
So this is our first fully electric. We've done 5 hybrid vessels now. This yard particularly has a long history of innovation. The world's largest ever aluminium flying boat was built in this shed. The world's first ever hovercraft was built in this shed, and the famous cross-channel hovercrafts were also built in this shed.
I'm very excited to see this boat come together. This ferry will be capable of being replicated over every domestic river, port, harbour, not only here in the UK, but globally. And I'm sure there will be an international interest in this vessel once it's in operation.